Good afternoon. This is Victor Jimenez with Sewer Line Check Professionals. I'm here at 14018 Lameda Street in Sherman Oaks, and I'm in the process of performing a video examination of the main sewer line. So the main sewer line is the portion of the waste drainage piping which is exterior to the structure. It lies underground and connects the building drain line system to the public sewer. The building drain line system then is the portion or portions of the waste drainage piping which are underneath or interior to the structure. Today's video examination is not focused on the building drain line system, so if further evaluation is desired regarding the building drain line system, a licensed plumbing contractor should be contacted, or a specialty building drain line video examination can be set up through our office. Alright, now I've accessed today's main sewer line from a 3-inch roof vent located just under the master bath, and pushed through about 15 feet of the building drain system, then went ahead and zeroed out my camera and pushed out another 53.5 feet, and we've connected up to public sewer. Now, the public sewer in this case is actually running through an alley located at the back of the structure. It's not on the main property line. There's actually an alley running in the back. A number of properties connect up to the public sewer in the back there. So, we're doing the inspection coming from public sewer back into the line. So, first thing is the line is composed of one material, which is a vitrified clay. Vitrified clay has a very long service life expectancy. However, it is more susceptible to damage during earthquakes and seismic activity, and it has a tendency to allow roots at the joint areas. Pulling away from the public sewer connection, we already have an example of such. See, located on the right there, it's a bundle of roots. It's causing a blockage. Now, really, this situation, as we're going to do the inspection, you'll see covers numerous joint areas in this pipe. Really, the issue with this is that there's two issues with it. One, roots in a clay pipe are a common material, however, or a common occurrence. However, significant enough roots can be caused by breaks in the pipe, and it can also cause breaks in pipes. Essentially, my point in saying all this is that it's hard for me to be fully conclusive about different parts of the line when the root intrusion is excessive to the point where I can't see the actual connection. So we saw that at that main connection with the public sewer. We weren't able to actually see the connection point there. Not so much of it here, but you'll see, here's another example. Kind of difficult to tell some of the conditions of the joint areas there with the roots that are existing in the pipe. Here's another example. I just can't be conclusive without getting the line cleaned. Alright. That's another section. So we have about another 20 feet of this, and there we go. Now, the line essentially runs out the back of the house. Alright, now here's a slight concern. You can see there's some worms kind of crawling around in the roots there. By the time that worms can get into roots, it is very typical that there is a break in the pipe. Right here is a slight misalignment of the pipe. Looks like it's been outfitted with a plastic piece, probably intended to be a clean out, but it's now been covered up by some bricks. Alright, there's another shot of that. Alright, now there's one thing I do want to bring up that's another piece of concern. So at this point, the line essentially runs out from this waste vent. It runs in a direct path, so it actually cuts into a corner of the master bedroom located in the back of the house. The issue with this is that underneath the house we have a vitrified clay pipe. Vitrified clay under a structure is not an approved material, so I'll have to recommend that gets repaired. The reason for that is that the clay is too brittle to be able to withstand the pressure of any kind of structure above it. There's also the issue that this section has some excessive roots. If you can see, the camera has essentially punched a hole through those roots, and that's what's allowed it to continue going. Now, pulling into this, as I said at the beginning, the building drain system is not the focus of my examination, but I'll comment on it. This is a cast iron building drain system, a pretty common material. Seems to be, functioning as intended currently. It's not in the best shape, but it's basically exhibiting pretty common signs of like beginning stages of failure. Cast iron pipes don't last as long as clay pipes, and they have a service life which is eventually, after so much time, they will just rot away. So, the pipe's doing okay right now, but it's starting to see kind of that beginning stages. Let's take a shot of this for the report, their access point today. So, just to orient you, so here we're on top of the roof. The line actually extends over into that alley in the back. That's where it goes. So essentially what I'll be recommending at this time is that the section of clay gets exposed and that gets resolved. It's not approved to be under the house. And then I'll be recommending that the line get hydrojetted, that a proper cleanout is installed, and then the line gets re-inspected. Alright, and with that, I'm going to be wrapping up the video portion of the examination for today. Once again, this is Victor Jimenez of Sewerline Check Professionals. Thank you very much and have a pleasant day.